Jazmine from VCOP Kids. Today we will be doing beading. If you want to make it hard, do string. If you want to make it easy, do pipe cleaners. And don't forget to use your pencil grip. Let's get started. Turning this bit on the bead so it doesn't fall off. We put another one on because it's going to be too pink and blue and then white. I'm doing a pattern. Don't forget the pencil grip. The pencil grip helps with our handwriting. It makes our muscles strong. That's a few more. And we put a white one on, and then we only need 2 more beads, and then we're done. 1, 2.